OMG, guys. Definitely not a healthy meal. But it looks delicious. Yum. So we took my boat in to get the serving reserved, but come to find out, I had to end up getting a new string and the cables because it was starting to fray where it's hooked onto the cams, and we can't see that. So I'm glad we went in because it could have tore it up if it decided to go ahead and break. So here I was just letting the guy do it, and he didn't mind me videotaping, so he's fixing it up. It was pretty neat to sit and watch him do it. So I hope you enjoy. dog wash area, and it's so much easier than trying to give him a bath in our tub. We're getting old and it hurts to bend over the tub.
Plus all the hair goes down there drain.
Yeah. And it's not a bad price. I don't remember what it is, but $10. Yep. They got all the shampoo, all the towels, all the blow dryers, everything you'd ever need. So he's needing a good bath. We're going camping next weekend, so I don't want a stinky dog in my bed. Alright, come along. He's so excited. He always has to lead the way. All kinds of smells. All kinds of smells. Yeah. Come on. What's down here? Come on, let's go to the toy aisle. Come here. Come on. Down the toy aisle. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, what's over here? You don't see any toys you want to play with? Huh? You don't see any toys you want to play with? No? You need to tear them up. You need to tear these up. In here. In here. You didn't even see the ball. You didn't even see the ball. Oh. Do you know him? Do you know him? Huh? Do you know him? But
Good boy. Good boy.
what did we deodorizing? Sensitive skin. Citrus Plus. What is it coming out the door? What did they say? Did you look at the screen?
I did. I told him what hair was out of it. Bert.
Like what?
I'll make sure we get it all out here and put your collar back on. Make sure it's all good up there.
It's all underneath here.
I think he's good. I don't feel him. That's it.
Know what, Cooper? Know what, huh?
Go ahead, shake. Get back. Go ahead, shake.
Shake.
Shake, Cooper.
Shake. Shake.
Shake.
He's like,
Shake.
what? Oh, okay. That wasn't a very good shake.
Come on, shake. Shake. Come on, shake.
So we look at Jim when he's doing the Shake, Coopers! You're still soaked. You're like, oh, what was that?
There's not even a hole in it. No, there's not a hole in anything.
Oh, they took him down. They
Yeah.
might have broke.
And he's in here in the...
You're dripping. You're dripping.
Well, that's not because they ain't good, Brenda. There's water all over the floor.
Yeah.
So we didn't have it leaking out, so I don't know what those people did.
I don't know what they did. Whew. That was a major deal, even in here. Still a lot better than doing it at home. This place is a mess. I don't know what somebody did before us. There was like, it was leaking on the floor. It didn't leak on the floor with us. Maybe they didn't clean the drain out and didn't have the door shut. Is she better? Are you so much better? Yeah, I bet you're cooler. Yeah. Yeah.
No.
Oh, where'd that come from? It's Billy's little baby gloves.
No, I can't. I don't have control over it.
Look. They're on sale.
Here in my nose.
Uh-oh. Is it marked? Oh, yep. $4.99, guys. Sunflowers. Y'all better? Huh? Are y'all better? Y'all done? Huh? Are you done? Here. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. Come here. You gotta put the leash, the harness on.